Are your windows falling apart, broken, or leaking? Why not replace them? Can't open your old windows? No one should have to strain and struggle to open a window. You deserve better than that. The sensible solution is to install new energy-efficient windows. Our new windows will keep the cold out in the winter and the heat out in the summer for the next 25 years. The great news is our energy-efficient windows will save you money on your utility bills for years to come. We specialize in replacing old or damaged windows, and we use only the best quality windows for both homes and businesses. Call us to schedule a free no-obligation private appointment and free estimate. You risk nothing by calling us. Don't struggle with those old windows any longer. Why waste your hard-earned money when we make it easy to keep that energy inside your house? If you qualify, we can even help you with financing. Take action now and call Promar Exteriors today. Your local window experts.